Today we're going to have some salmon that we picked up. I mean, it's only a small piece and they're only fairly cheap from Lidl. 250 gram. It's not a hell of a lot, but we thought, you know, we just fancy that today. We'll do that in the air fryer. We'll just put some, we bought one of them small 69p bags of new potatoes. We'll put that on. And we got some frozen peas, so I think we're going to wrap this up in foil because it doesn't take very long. And we'll just see how it goes. Right, we've put the salmon into some foil with a bit of oil. We're just going to wrap that up in like a parcel. But we did look on here, it does say boneless, whether you can see that. But you can never really trust that, can you? And that's why, look, I've just pulled a big bone out of there. Can you see it? I don't know whether you can. Yeah, you can. That is a bone, mate. But you know, it always says be careful, and you have to be careful, but that's one I found straight away. Do you want to look out the window? It's not bad here. Caister-on-Sea. Avon. There can't be anybody left in the world, look, that's not seen new potatoes boiling on the hob, is there? Eh? Surely not, but there they go. I always have these things turn up by magic, don't we? So today, here they are. Right, there's our salmon going in the cooker. Press seafood, that gives you 198 minutes. I think that won't be far off, so let's go for it and see how we go. There we go. So the taters are about done now. Well, they're about soft enough, so I've chucked the peas in as well. So by the time they've done, should all be ready. Now this pan at the front, I've just started this up. That's going to be bubbling away because we're going to do a poached egg with this dinner. There's not very much salmon in there, so I thought a poached egg would be nice, but we have got something lined up for afters as well if we need it, and knowing us, we probably will. Yeah, never mind, I brought something from home, didn't I? I'll perhaps show you, we'll have a look. Right, we've cooked this on the time, let's just see what it's like. That looks done to me, it's falling to pieces. Let's just check the temperature while we're about it. Hang on, let me sort it out and then I'll come to you. Now I'm doing it the wrong way, look. There we go, 63 it says for fish. That's only 43.
It's better when you fry it off.
It might not be in the right place in the fish. Now that's dropping to pieces. I'd have said that were cooked. Oh look, 50. You said 57 on the internet, didn't you? 58. Look. Try that piece. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it back in just for a couple of minutes, say 3 minutes I think, just to make sure. Let's get it back in. Right, press seafood, 180, 10 minutes. We'll take that down. I think maybe 4 minutes will be plenty. But we'll see, won't we? Off we go. And I'll come back to you. Everything else is bubbling away, it's all about ready. Go at this temperature. Oh, that's got to be cooked now. It can't not be, can it? If I hold this over here so you can see it, Wendy, is that better? Can you see this, look? Well, the temperature's going up, but that looks cooked to me. 59. Yeah, we have seen where it said 57. 60. Let's try this other bit.
68.
Yeah, look, that's 74 there. Let's try this other bit here. Yeah, look, it's reached temperature now. We're happy with that. It's actually above, but I want it cooked, but I don't want it too dry. Let's turn this off. Take that out. That looks fine. And what we usually do, just hold on, let me get a knife. We usually just see if it splits apart, don't we? That's cooked, look, you can see that, look. I mean, look, it's only thin pieces, so that'll be fine now. Right, that's it. That's our dinner ready. And we'll get back to you. Oh, there's my dinner ready. There doesn't look much salmon there. There's not a hell of a lot, but of course we've put the poached egg on top. I didn't show you how we poach the egg. Come on. We're just a rolling boil, 3 minutes poached egg. Well, I'm going to have to eat this now because I'm getting a bit hungry. See you later. Oh, I forgot to mention, didn't I? If you've enjoyed this video, it's Wendy making a racket in the background. Puts me off every time, doesn't it?
Oh, shut up.
Oh, are you having a nice holiday? Oh dear, it keeps raining. Sorry about it. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Well, I wanted to talk about these at some point because these are 2 apple turnovers and we've just done them on the bake setting in the cassoulet. I think it was 8 minutes, but for the last 3 minutes I turned it up to 200. They look great, don't they? And I tell you what, these, oh, I know we made them and they're lovely, but these are outstanding value. I've mentioned it before, it's called Excel at Aaron Foods, and you buy a great bag full for just £2 or £3. While we're not at home, I can't tell you, so I'll when I'm back home, I'll get this sorted out and we'll have a better look at it. But these are really tasty. We've had them before and they're pretty good value. So I think we should spend a bit of time looking at these because some of the stuff they do is pretty good. Anyway, that's all for now. Just pick this up on the beach, look. Great big hook there, I can see, look. A load of line all ravelled up. Oh, I don't know, it's nothing to do with me, but I think you best pick it up really. My God, there's some kid, see it's still got a piece of bait on there. Some kid got that up, you know. Oh dear. I don't know. I tell you what, I've only come down here for a patch. There's nobody in the sea. I don't know what's the matter with them. It ain't even that cold. Look, I'm standing right in the sea. Well, it don't bother me. Would you put my wellies on, mate? I think that's the answer this time of year. Oh, it's been really rough weather. We've been getting loads and loads of rain, really misty. It's just eased off now for a little while. We thought we'd have a walk out. Oh, we've had a decent morning. Wendy's taking pictures as well, look. Getting the gloves back on. All the stones wedged in there, look. Quite a piece of art, isn't it, really? It's growing. Just got battered there. Wendy!